Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you best free SEO tool that are used to increase your website traffic and views. So let's discuss. First one is Google Research Console or Google Webmaster. It's Google own tool that is used to observe your Google visibility. With the help of this tool, you will check which of the queries and keyword will give you more clicks and impression and see when you will click on the page, you will check which of your website page will give you more traffic and from which country you will get more traffic, you will also check. And next, when you will click on the links, you will check how many internal and external link of your website have, which are the top linking site of your website and top linking anchor text. So move on the next. Next is Screaming Frog. A Screaming Frog is basic SEO tool that is helpful to analyze your website. With the help of this tool, you will check which of your website pages had duplicate meta description, missing meta title, and heading tags, all tags, retracts, which pages has 404 errors. All technical things will cover under this tool. So this tool will provide you all the technical error that your website has. So next one is Uber Suggest. Uber Suggest tool help to find out your keywords. For example, when you click any keywords here and click on the search button, it will find out all the related search term that people are searching for on Google related to your topics. So it will also helpful to analyze your website. And so move on to next one is Siteliner. Siteliner is the best free tool that help us to find duplicate content on your website. So when you enter your website website in Siteliner, it will tell you which pages of your website has duplicate content. So now next one is Keyword Planner. Keyword Planner is Google free tool that is used to discover new keyword related to your business. So when you enter any root keyword of your business, and it will give a lot of keyword ideas related to your topic. It will also tell us the average monthly searches and cost of the keywords. So so now next is Google Trends. Google Trends is also give you information regarding the keywords. For example, when you research any topic here, it will give you the top and rising queries related to your topic in your country. So so I hope you all these tool will help you. Thank you.